Welcome, fellow embroidery enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into a simple yet elegant border pattern project. This delightful triangle border pattern is not only versatile, but also open to your creative choices. You can change the colors and adjust the stitch size to suit your unique style. I'll be using trusty embroidery floss threads to bring this design to life. So, let's get those creative juices flowing and start stitching. Embroidery is not just about the final product, it's about the joy of creating and personalizing your own designs. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it right. The beauty of handiwork lies in its unique touch. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on the Handiworks channel. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more creative ideas. Keep practicing your stitches, and I can't wait to see the wonderful borders you create. Happy embroidering!